do that, it looks like you might be putting that over the camera. Do it again.
Oh, the camera's right here, isn't it?
I think, but it just looked like that. Maybe not. Go ahead. Maybe you just got to let's roll. Come on, we rolling. Today is a very important day for me and for African Americans across the country who've grown up with opportunities that our families and generation before us never dreamed would be possible, thanks to the work of Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. I'd like to take a minute to reflect on why we honor Dr. King and his teachings of social justice, nonviolence, and equal opportunity for all races. The purpose of observing this day is so that all people of all ages and backgrounds come together to improve lives, bridge social barriers, and move our nation closer to the beloved community that Dr. King envisioned. Today represents a day where we remember to learn from our history, our mistakes both as individuals and as whole communities, and to continue to build a better world for our children and our children's children. We should live every day like that, but on this day every year, I'm thankful for that reminder. Without the work and teachings of Dr. King, I might not have had a successful career. I might not have had a fulfilling life. I might not have written a book. In fact, it's very likely that I never would have made it, but I have. For that, I am forever grateful and thankful for the work of one of my heroes, Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. Thank you.